In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable two-step verification on Instagram to help protect your account from unauthorized access. It's quick and super easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on Account Center. After that, tap on Password and Security. Now tap on two-factor authentication. Then select the Instagram account if you have more than one. Now choose your preferred method, text message or authentication app. Then follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. And that's it. You have successfully turned on two-step verification on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.